Super delicious and crispy. Special veg filled puff. I hope you would love it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Two tablespoons oil. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Sauté for few seconds. 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds. Sauté for few seconds. 1 inch chopped ginger. Finely chopped green chillies. Sauté for few seconds. 1 cup frozen peas. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. 1 tablespoon raisins. 1 tablespoon crushed cashew nuts. 1 tablespoon peanut. Mix well for a few minutes on medium flame. If you are allergic to nuts, skip nuts. Salt to taste. One teaspoon cumin powder. A half teaspoon chili powder. A half teaspoon paprika powder. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix well for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Add 300 mashed paneer cottage cheese. Mix well on mid to high flame for 2 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons coriander leaves. Switch off the flame. Let it cool down. Take a roll sheet. Fill the mixture. Lock edges with fork. Cut on the top. Preheat air fryer. Place parchment paper. Set for 15 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 5 minutes, stop and check. Crispy and delicious puff ready to serve. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.